Hi guys! So my husband wants to learn Tagalog and he told me that I need to keep teaching him. Magandang umaga lang. So today you're gonna learn how to say it in Tagalog.
Yeah, maganda umaga.
Okay,
I know
but
that
I'm
one.
gonna teach you a different one, like good morning everyone, like stuff like that. Okay.
Maganda umaga, everyone.
No. So that's why I'm gonna teach you now.
Ah,
Magandang umaga
maganda umaga
sa inyong
sa inyo
lahat.
lahat. Maganda umaga sa inyo lahat.
Inyong.
That's what I said.
Inyong.
That's what I said.
Dali.
Maganda umaga inyo
Sa inyo.
sa inyo lahat.
You have to. I'm
Maga
teaching you, right? Dali na.
maganda umaga
Sa inyo.
sa inyo lahat.
Yeah. Another one, dali.
Maganda umaga inyo lahat.
Sa. See, you keep forgetting some ano. Dali, maganda.
Maganda umaga sa inyo lahat.
Ay, good job.
Well,
So
I don't understand.
O, tignan mo,
Wait,
may
wait.
reklamo pa.
Instead of saying, good morning, everyone, why do I have to say like 10
Because it's
sentences?
Tagalog.
My gosh.
Mm.
Who created that?
Hello.